Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and launching the updater now. Make sure you have a recent backup and an admin session so the updater can write system files. Once done, confirm network stability. Intermittent connections cause incomplete packages. Next, open the Universal Updater interface and select the target system or app. You do this now so the updater can compare current versus target versions and queue only necessary files. This reduces time and risk while keeping rollback options intact. You proceed by reviewing the queued patches and dependencies the updater found. Check each item, deselect optional components to shorten downtime. Then run the dependency resolver so the updater installs prerequisite libraries in the correct order. While installing, watch the progress and real-time logs to catch warnings early. If the updater pauses for dependency prompts, respond immediately. Once the installer finishes a module, verify the service restart succeeded. This prevents cascading failures when you finish by validating the updated system with quick smoke tests and essential workflows to confirm functionality. Make sure authentication and data paths behave as expected, and then commit the update. Tag the deployment and archive installer logs. If you see issues, consult the updater logs for missing dependencies or permission errors. Those are the most common causes. If problems persist, revert to the backup snapshot and rerun the updater after correcting the root cause, which saves time versus piecemeal fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.